Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is the muscle tissue. The topic is from chapter number 6, tissues of grade 9. Fine. So let's start with the topic. Muscle tissue, or we can call it as muscular tissue even. As we know that animal have 4 different types of tissue: epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. So for the functioning of an organ, all these tissues are going to work together. Okay, they used to, the epithelial tissue protect that organ, muscle tissue help in movement of that particular organ if any requirement, then connective tissue supplies the blood. Okay, then connective tissue is of many types, so many functions are there. Then nervous tissue control the functioning of that organ in that way. So when we talk about the muscle tissue, it is mainly responsible for the movement of various organs in our body. Got it? Fine. So the main function of this tissue is to help in movement. Got it? Now what this muscle tissue is made up of? This muscle tissue is made up of long, narrow fibers. Okay, long, narrow, cylindrical fibers, which are termed as muscle fibers, or we can say muscle cells. Got it? So the muscular tissue, the muscle tissue is made up of muscle cells. Got it? Now these muscle cells, they are arranged parallelly in a muscle. Okay, in a muscle. Got it? They are arranged parallelly. How? Let's see. In this way, as you can see. Got it? That particular arrangement help in easy contraction and relaxation of these cells. Fine. Now the next important thing, the muscle cells, they have special protein. That special protein is contractile protein. And there are 2 types of contractile protein in muscle: actin and myosin. These are the protein which help in contraction and relaxation of the muscle fiber. Fine. Okay. What they will do? Help in contraction and relaxation. Fine. So what the muscle cells are going to do? Muscle cells are collectively going to form the muscle tissue, and that muscle tissue will help in the movement of the various organs. Now we'll see what type of movement. Okay, few movement might be you have observed in your body that you are not able to control, and few movements are there which you can control, which you can stop, which you can initiate as per your will. So on the basis of that, the movement which are shown by these muscle tissue is of two types of movements. So what are the types of the movements? Voluntary type of movement. Okay, and involuntary movement. What are the voluntary? Volunteers. ठीक है, volunteers क्या होते हैं? Voluntary, a type of movement which is under our control. Okay, type of the movement which is under our control. When we want to start it, we can start. When we want to stop, we can stop. So this is under our will. Fine. Involuntary, opposite, not under our control. We cannot control these movements. We cannot control these movements. We cannot control. So muscles, when they start showing the movement, that can be of voluntary type, that can be of involuntary type. So what are the voluntary movements? Which are under the control of ours. Okay, we can control it, and which are not, because different types of nervous system we have, like different types of controlling system. Nervous system we have different. CNS, okay, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system. So accordingly, different types of movements are generated. So accordingly, when we go with the types of muscle tissue, we'll see the types of muscle tissue. स्मूथ मसल, स्केलेटल मसल, ओके, जिसमें से कुछ होंगे जो मोमेंट इनवॉलेंट्री परफॉर्म करेंगी एंड अदर टाइप विल परफॉर्म द वॉलेंट्री टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट. ओके, तो हम उनको वॉलेंट्री मसल्स और इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स कंसीडर करेंगे. गॉट इट? नाउ जस्ट टेक एग्जांपल्स फ्यू फॉर द वॉलेंट्री एंड इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स मूवमेंट्स. Now the movement which is occurring and rubbing the board with my hand. So this movement is in my control. Okay, I've stopped it and I've started it. So this type of movement is voluntary. But the movement which is occurring in my lungs when I'm inhaling, when I'm exhaling, that is not under my control. The movement which is occurring in alimentary canal, the peristalsis movement, that is not under my control. Got it? The blood which is flowing through the arteries, through the vein, its movement is also not under my control. So that is involuntary. Okay? Wrist, you can see, I can move my neck. It means that is under my control. I can move my hand. This is under my control. So you just relate and make a list of those movements which are under your control and which you cannot control. Okay, you can control your tongue movement. If you want to speak, you can move your tongue. Fine. If you don't want to speak, then no need to move it. That way. Simple. So on the basis of the different types of structures of the muscle cells, the muscle tissue is divided into 3 different types. So let's see what are those types. The very first type is skeletal muscle. ठीक है, skeletal muscle tissue. Then smooth muscle tissue, and the third is cardiac muscle, which is specially present in the heart and the associated blood vessels. Cardiac is only for heart. Got it? Now they have different names. These two have their different names also, because the third one is having the characters of both. We'll see that also. So skeletal muscle, also termed as striated muscle. ठीक है, striations होते हैं band. For example, this is the muscle cell. So this kind of bands will form. This is the dark band in this way. This is because of the actin and myosin. Actin and myosin we have discussed ना. So this one is the dark band, and ये जो बीच में space है, this is the light band. So ये striations form हो रहे हैं, bands form हो रहे हैं, ठीक है? Dark, light, dark, light, dark, light. So this skeletal type of muscles, they have the striations. That's why they are also termed as striated muscles. Got it? Secondly, we can also give them name voluntary muscles, because these muscles are under our control. These muscles are, the muscle movement is under our control, or we can say the movement which is performed by the skeletal muscle is voluntary. Fine. Second type क्या आता है? Smooth muscle. Smooth muscle fibers, non-striated. It means no bands are formed, no light band, no dark bands are formed over there. Then involuntary muscles. Okay, involuntary muscles. The smooth muscles will show the involuntary movement which is not under our control. So that type of muscle is smooth muscle. And the cardiac muscle, it have the striations. Okay, it have striations, bands होंगे लेकिन light band form होते हैं यहाँ, ठीक है? इतने dark नहीं होते हैं जितने skeletal muscle में होते हैं. Light striations are there. Fine. And it is involuntary. Okay, involuntary type of muscle, cardiac muscle. Fine. We'll just talk about their structure, their location in detail in our next video lecture. Thank you.